Increase your productivity and meet face-to-face in HD with colleagues and customers. Head over to the Meeting tab to start meetings. Quickly and easily schedule meetings directly within Outlook with just one click. Or start a meeting directly from a chat conversation to move projects along. You'll be able to share your screen to collaborate better in real time. Use screen annotation to call out important points on shared content and make faster decisions. Lock your meetings for an extra layer of security, and more. Don't forget to download the free Meeting mobile application so that you can take your meetings wherever you go.
Getting started with online meeting. Online Meeting is a simple to use yet powerful online meeting and video conferencing tool. It will let you have crystal clear face-to-face conversations with remote attendees across the world and collaborate successfully using tools like screen sharing and annotation. Let's jump in. When you log into your account, at the top of your screen, you will see your name as well as your meeting URL, conference call number, and pins. This section provides you all the information you need to quickly start a meeting and have your attendees join your meeting. Use the copy link here to copy all of this information to your clipboard for easy pasting into emails, chat, or other communication. To quickly schedule a meeting, simply copy this information into a calendar invitation in Outlook or Google Calendar and send it. Your meeting URL is a simple address for all of your meetings. You can easily customize your meeting URL to something that's personal or connected to your business. Simply click on the pencil icon to edit your meeting URL. Your conference pin is used by you and your attendees to join your meeting's audio by phone. If you need to change your pins, click the icon here, and the application will automatically assign new pins. Remember though, any meetings already scheduled will not have the correct pins, so make sure to update those after changing your pins. The Start a Meeting Now button allows you to immediately start a meeting and provide it with a title, as well as enter the emails of the attendees you'd like to invite to your meeting. You can schedule a meeting for the future by clicking the Schedule button. Meetings scheduled through this feature will have a unique meeting code and will not expose your custom meeting URL for extra security. Please note that these meetings aren't integrated with your calendar and only visible in any meeting. To start the scheduled meeting, click the Start This Meeting button. Meetings can be started up to 1 hour prior to the scheduled meeting time. The button will only be available to you during this time to ensure you start the correct meeting. Now let's jump into a new meeting by clicking the Start Meeting button. One of the most important things to a successful meeting is having your audio properly set up, so please pay close attention. You can connect to your meeting's audio with either your computer or by dialing into the conference bridge with your phone. Alternatively, if you're already on a call with the person you're meeting with, or the meeting doesn't require audio, you can select I don't need audio. We highly recommend using computer audio with a quality headset to participate in a meeting, as this will provide high-definition audio quality and the best overall meeting experience. At the bottom middle of the screen are the main controls. The microphone button allows you to mute and unmute your audio, as well as switch to other audio devices or switch to phone. If you are using PC audio, we highly encourage you to set up your audio and video devices when you first enter your meeting. Make sure both your speaker and microphone devices are properly selected. If you have selected phone, pressing the button will display the dial-in information. The camera button turns your webcam on and off, and the More option gives you a preview of your webcam. The Screen Sharing button allows you to collaborate effectively by sharing your screen, applications, or videos. While sharing your screen in our desktop app, your attendees can annotate your screen, and you can even give them remote control over your computer. At the top right of the screen are some secondary controls. From here, you can start or stop recording your meeting, lock the meeting to prevent additional attendees from entering, access the settings window, access our help options like live chat, knowledge base, or issue reporting, and finally, leave or end the meeting. Clicking the settings icon opens the meeting settings window, which offers configuration options for audio and video devices, custom branding for meeting hosts, virtual assistant information and options, and general application settings. To the left is your attendee list, where you can see who's joined the meeting. All attendees have the ability to mute others as needed by clicking the phone or mic icon next to the user's name, or by clicking Mute All, which will mute all of the attendees except for the person who selected the option. Please keep in mind that once you mute someone, only they can unmute themselves, for privacy reasons. At the bottom of the attendee list is your meeting URL and dial-in information, so you can quickly copy those and send them out in an email or instant message if you need to add people to your meeting on the fly. The chat area allows you to exchange text messages, links, and even emojis during your meeting. Meeting Notes allows you to collaborate with meeting participants in real time to capture action items, what's being discussed in the meeting, and other details. At the end of the meeting, the notes are automatically sent out by email to everyone who attended the meeting. During your meeting, any shared desktop or webcam will be displayed in the meeting stage to the right. When there are multiple videos on stage, you can double-click on a video to enlarge them. Double-click again to return to the grid view. This also works during content sharing, so you can choose what you want to see. When the meeting is over, simply click the End Meeting button to have everyone disconnect and officially end the meeting. After your meeting, you can return to your account and under Past Meetings, see details about your meeting, including reports. You can see who's attended, see your recording, and even have a link to send that recording out to others that may have missed the meeting. You can also download your recording as an MP4 and share it on your own site or YouTube channel. How to use Meeting Notes. Meeting Notes free you and your attendees from paper. To use Meeting Notes, navigate to the tab at the top of the attendee list. Here you can see the Shared Public Notes, where everyone in the meeting can add notes. We offer the ability to customize your notes as well with formatting. At the end of the meeting, notes will be sent to everyone in an email. Meeting notes will be sent only to those that attended the meeting. Recording features. To record your meeting, just press the record button at the top of the screen. All attendees will know the meeting is recording by the button turning red in their view. You may pause or stop your recording and resume. If you choose to resume, we offer you the choice to append or overwrite the recording and start from there. Following your event, we provide you with a recording URL that you can share however you like, either through your account by emailing attendees or sending it out in your own emails. If you choose to send others to your recording URL, we will also provide you with a report about your viewers, gaining insight on who has watched and for how long. You may also download your recording as an MP4 file that you may edit on your own or upload directly to your YouTube or Vimeo channels. Screen sharing. To begin sharing, click the monitor icon at the top of the window. Next, choose your screen. If you have dual monitors, you will be offered the choice of which to share. To share your entire screen, choose the Share button. To present a spreadsheet or other program, simply click on it on your taskbar to bring it up on your shared screen and begin collaborating or demonstrating to your audience. To share a single application, again only supported when hosting on Chrome, choose Application Sharing and then select what you wish to share. If you minimize that application while sharing, your audience will see a message that you have stopped sharing it. Be sure to stop screen sharing or leave that application open for sharing. When finished sharing, click Stop Screen Sharing and the attendee view will be returned to the meeting or webinar screen. How to share a presentation using Content Library. In meetings, you may share a PowerPoint, PDF, or MP4 video. To prepare in advance, upload any files you like to your content library on your account page. Just drag and drop. Inside your meeting, bring up the content library by clicking the Share Files and Videos icon. Choose a file to share from your local computer, and once uploaded, click the Play button. You will see the slide controls at the bottom of the screen. To share an MP4, do the same by uploading the file and clicking play. While your MP4 is playing, you are also welcome to narrate if you like. Your audience will still hear you speaking. Others in your meeting are also welcome to share files. Attendees in a meeting are able to upload presentations to share temporarily, and at the end of the meeting, they're automatically deleted. Any file in your library can immediately be shared with your audience, allowing them to download the file to their computer. Just click the icon to share the download link, and a link to download your presentation will be submitted into the chat window for your attendees. Audio and Video Options Overview. When you first log in, you are offered to choose which communication medium you wish to use, selecting either a microphone on your PC or using a phone to dial in. You may change your mind and switch to the phone or mic by clicking the corresponding icon at the top of the screen, or by accessing the audio and video options from the center marquee or from the More menu to swap to the opposite audio method at the bottom left of the options screen. The audio and video options screen will display a preview of your webcam if you choose to share your webcam in the presentation. You may also verify your mic and speakers. If for any reason your mic or speakers are not working, use the drop-down list to make sure the correct device is chosen, then make sure to click Update Settings when finished. If you have no mic or speakers available or have trouble with your devices, you can dial in using a phone. Clicking the phone icon at the top of the screen will bring up a notification that asks you to confirm if you wish to switch to telephone. Once confirmed, you are provided the dial-in number and meeting code, as well as your dial-in pairing PIN. For best experience in your meeting, be sure to pair your phone. This connects your phone number with your online presence in the meeting. How to brand your meeting. Once you start your meeting room, click the three dots at the top of the screen to navigate to the More menu, and choose Custom Branding. Just drag and drop your images for your logo and background, or navigate on your hard drive to the image you want to use. The image file type and size recommendations are shown on this screen. To remove these and start over, go back to the menu again and choose Remove by clicking the trash can icon. You might want to practice this prior to a live event so you can see how things look. You don't want to upload anything that might not be what you intended. Make sure you choose an image that is pleasant to look at and represents your business well. How to change your meeting URL. When you log into your account, you will see your meeting URL here under your name. To customize this, click the pencil icon. You will see a pop-up box where you may choose a new shortcut. Be sure to consider what shortcut will fit your style. Type in the new shortcut and click Save. If that shortcut is already in use, we will let you know so you can choose an alternate. Meeting URLs are unique. No two are alike. Once saved, you may send it out to others as a static link to your meetings. This URL is also what you may use to start a quick meeting. Just click and go. Scheduling meetings. Using your account, you may schedule one-off meetings or recurring meetings. To schedule a single meeting or recurring meeting, click on the Schedule button on your account. Create a title, select the date on the calendar, and select the time and duration. Be sure to check the time zone to ensure your scheduled time slot is accurate. Tick the box, "This is a recurring event," to schedule a recurring meeting. Here, you may choose daily weekly, or monthly, and more. Just fill in the details. If you prefer, you can schedule something on your email calendar as you normally would schedule a meeting. Then, using the copy feature on your account, copy and paste your meeting info into the calendar event. Thanks for watching.